Hey guys, welcome back to J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and we are going to make some soursop juice with condensed milk. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So this is my soursop. I went ahead and washed my soursop to remove anything that is not supposed to be on the soursop because we're going to use even the skin for our juice. Stay tuned to see how that works out. So in a large bowl, I'm going to go ahead and break my soursop in 2 halves, and then I'm going to go ahead and just break each half up in different pieces or smaller pieces. And please note guys, I will not be using any blender for this soursop juice, but stay tuned to see how it works out, alright? So now that my soursop is in pieces, I'm going to go in and then I'm going to add some water. Again, you don't want to add too much water because you don't want your juice to be too thin. You want it to have a little bit of thickness, alright? So try not to add any water, but some persons tend to go ahead and use the blender. If you're using a blender, then that's fine, but you can also use your hand, alright? So I'm going to continue to just squeeze until I get all of the juice. Then I'm going to go ahead and just strain it and remove the pulp from my soursop juice, alright? So guys, this is the juice from my soursop. So now it's time to go ahead and sweeten. As you can see, it's not too thin, it's very much a little bit thick. This is the way that we want it to, but we're gonna add our condensed milk to this just to give it a nice taste. All right, so of course we're gonna go in and we're gonna add some grated nutmeg. And we are also going to add some vanilla flavoring, not a lot, just a small amount, and also some cinnamon powder. For the cinnamon powder, it tends to leave some clumps in your soursop juice, but what you can do, you can always go ahead and just strain again, alright? Then we're going to go in and of course we're going to add our condensed milk. Now there is various type of condensed milk on the market, guys. Remember, you can always go ahead and use the condensed milk that contains the cinnamon powder, the vanilla and the nutmeg, alright? So that way you don't have to add any fresh cinnamon powder, any nutmeg and vanilla, alright? So we're going to continue to just mix all of that, and you don't want to sweeten it too much. And remember to always taste, alright, just in case you need to add some more to it. So in a few minutes I'm going to show you guys the final product, and remember guys, you can go ahead and strain this again to remove anything that you don't want in your soursop juice. So this is the final product of my soursop juice. As you can see, I went ahead and garnished with some French thyme, and I also grated some of the fresh nutmeg on top. I hope you guys enjoy this small video. I hope you guys tell your friends, tell your family members about J's Kitchen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.